You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? How do you say the name of the 36th President of the United States, US President? Lyndon, stress on the first syllable here. B. Middle name is for Baines, Lyndon Baines Johnson. It's easy, right? Lyndon B. Johnson, or full name, Lyndon Baines Johnson. And now you know more names of US presidents and US politicians that you may want to check out as well and pronounce correctly. See you there. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.